फैजल नहीं आएगा। आज सुबह से हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं रवि के सुपर चैंपियन के लिए। सुबह हमने पेड़ वेड़ लगाए थे, मैं वही देख रहा था, जूतों की तरफ देख रहा था, मैं धूल जमी पड़ी है, सुबह की धूल गई नहीं है। तो इसके बाद हमने एक छोटा सा पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया है रवि का, जो अभी तक का पीरियड है उसको लेकर, जिनमें से कुछ पीपीटीज हमने उनके जो पब्लिक अकाउंट्स उनमें से निकाली हैं। तो रवि से परमिशन तो नहीं लिए हमने, बट थिंग सब ठीक ठाक ही होगा। तो रवि ज्वाइंड IPR on 6th of April 1993. These are this is the biodata that actually this biodata he has given to us. So तुमने ईमेल से भेजा था, हमने मांगा था तो बोला नहीं, इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है, सब ठीक है। ये एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड हमने डिस्कस किया था, उस दिन भी डिस्कस, हिंदी वाले दिन भी डिस्कस किया था कि जब नेहरू जी ये एक्सपायर हुए थे उसके जस्ट 5-7 मिनट बाद ही आई थिंक रवि का बर्थ हुआ था। तो वो सारे गुण जो नेहरू जी में थे सब आपको रवि में दिखाई देंगे। थोड़ा सा कैपिटलिस्ट और थोड़ा सा सोशलिस्ट सब मिला के जो है। तो बोथ पेरेंट्स आर MSc from BHU. So Ravi, can I ask a personal question? Can I ask a personal question? अंकल आंटी का लव मैरिज था कि फैमिली फ्रेंड? थोड़ा मैरिज थोड़ा फैमिली फ्रेंड है सर। सो अंकल एक्सपायर हो चुके हैं अभी, एक्सपायर्ड इन 1994। तो two brothers, one elder, one younger. अभी पहचाना एक किसी को एक को चांस मिलेगा जो बता सके, जो ये 3 ब्रदर्स हैं, रवि कौन सा सही है? रवि मुझे लग रहा है नहीं, इसमें इन तीनों में से पूछ रहे हैं किस वर्ग में, यही ना, क्योंकि वो पहले बताया ना कि बीच में ब्रदर, तो बीच वाला लग रहा है। शायद उससे एंटिसिपेट किया होगा। गुड। सो रवि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कितना मासूम था पहले, कितना खतरनाक हो गया अभी। बीच वाले ज्यादा अभी हमारे तो दोस्ती से कोई मतलब साथ में तो ऐसा काम नहीं किया न। रवि कभी पूछता था, मैं कहा तुम्हारे बॉस तो बहुत बढ़िया है, नहीं राज सिंह तो हाँ वो बता, शकल से पता चल रहा है।
नहीं वो तो सेम मूड लेने के लिए है।
हाँ अच्छा, सेम पोस्ट के वैसे फिल्मों एक पिक्चर देख के आई थी शाहरुख खान की, तो आके अपने पोते घर पे शाहरुख खान अपनी पत्नी को कितना बोले, उसको इसके कार्ड करने के 2 करोड़ रुपए मिलते हैं, मुझे मिले तो मैं कर लूंगा। ये ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स होपफुली सब ठीक ठाक ही सेट हैं। BSc फ्रेंड, BSc क्लास में, ओके गुड। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन गुड। रवि सबसे यंग दिख रहा है फ्रेंड्स में, नहीं? अच्छा, गुड। ये स्पेशल मैंने बहुत ढूंढने की कोशिश की, इस पिक्चर नहीं दिया। तो हम भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, नो कमेंट ऑन दिस पिक्चर। ये रवि का शौक, that special quality that he can so these are his also that I think that same I think that right. This is the IPR activities. So you all know all this work that Ravi is doing, Science Day and all these things. This is his outreach team. सर्दी में ठिठुरते हैं मेरे ख्याल, जालंधर में, पंजाब में जनवरी वगैरह का शायद मौसम होगा। अमरदास को मैंने इसको मोहनदास को मैंने पूछा, मैंने कहा इस पिक्चर में सब लोगों ने टच नहीं तो this also outreach activities. आउटरीच डिवीजन का मैंने एक चीज़ देखा, एक स्पेशलिटी है कि इन लोगों की वजह से आईपीआर को काफ़ी लोग जानने लगे। मैं दिल्ली शायद जा रहा था ट्रेन से 1.5-2 महीने पहले, तो ऐसे बोला आईपीआर, तो बोला हाँ हम लोग जानते हैं आईपीआर को, तो हमारे यहाँ पे स्कूल में कहीं फंक्शन हुआ था ऐसे कुछ, मतलब सो दैट्स ए गुड अचीवमेंट दैट आईपीआर इज नोन all over India in most of the places. This is the book that Ravi has compiled. Am I right? Right word, Ravi? Compiled. And that the design has been done by Ans Trivedi. So it's a very nice book to learn the plasma science, for the common people to know about plasma. Concept, story and script by Ravi. Nice. Solar telescope. One thing I had in this Ravi, that this, how did you transform this into what processing? Because this नहीं छोटा सा बताओ यार, लोग पूछे।
This photo statement using, because it is using its alpha filter.
हाँ
Only one wavelength comes.
हाँ
639.
हाँ हाँ
So if you use a monochrome camera, whatever falls in the camera is only one wavelength. So I know what is the wavelength. It just transposes.
अच्छा, you transfer that wavelength into that.
No, I know it is that wavelength.
हाँ
So I can just add that to that product.
ओके अच्छा। Now these are the activities that conducted by outreach division at different places all over India. These are achievements of Ravi and his team. This is the April 20 recent team of Ravi. These are the different Science Day activities, I think. Also the Science Day, National Science Day activities. This is a recent one, I think. These are also Science Day activities. These are Ravi's parents. What is that right corner? What that indicates?
No.
Parents at the younger age, something like that. Oh, at the college time. Nice, good. BHP photos, uncle auntie के BHP. मन, रवि के मन की बात है, आप लोग पढ़ सकते हो। तो actually we are trying to find out these photos that what you have written here, but
What is the first one you showed?
है
Left side, before this you showed, no?
it is the same photo।
इसके पहले। ये वाला left side.
अच्छा ये फादर
You
फोटो,
retire, you will give this photo.
अच्छा दिस फोटो
Joint photo you have to give, whether you like it or not.
ओके। तुम भी वो नहीं मिला है, तुम्हारा फोटो नहीं मिला, अभी भेज देना है, अकाउंट से ले लेंगे अकाउंट से। सो IPR is the best, enjoy रिटायरमेंट टाइम पे मैंने देखा आदमी के अंदर एक चीज़ तो नहीं मिलती है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करने लगता है। मैं भी देखता हूँ अपने आप को कि आज से जो 20 साल पहले काम करता था उससे मुझे लगता है मैं डबल काम कर रहा हूँ। घर जाके कई बार कहता हूँ, अंजू को बताता हूँ कि आज ये काम किया, ये काम किया, ये काम किया। बोला तुम 35 साल से बोलते आ रहे हो मेरे को। मैं कभी IPR जाती हूँ तो तुम वो अपनी कोपा लाइन दिखा देते हो कि आज ये यहाँ इधर लगाई, कभी बोला उसके SST से निकाल के आदित्य में लगा देते हो, कभी निकाल के SST में लगा देते हो। 35 साल बोला यही काम कर रहे हो। घर जाके बता कि हम लोग क्या काम कर रहे हैं। नो, आई विल इनवाइट परितोष। So I request our director, Dr. Shashank Chaudhary, to say a few words about कुछ आप अपना
talk about some random cases not spoken. Over the years, things remain secret between us. Okay. Huge one. So that's the second. I think you mentioned somewhere about loving your work, right? You mentioned that somewhere in this thing. So with the kind of interest he has, I think that is not going to change at all, because he has a love for photography, he has a love of reading. So all those things are just going to continue. So he is one person out of which is there. I think normally nahi hota. Which he also love. So let me wish him all the best. We'll anyway continue to be in touch. But he's actually unique that way. I don't think there are too many people who continue before and after retirement to do the things that they enjoy. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, right? Most people have to look for something that they can do after retirement. I think he already has things lined up. Okay, best of
so
मैंने कुछ मैसेज कलेक्ट किया था रवि का फ्रेंड्स और पुराना IPR फ्रेंड्स एज वेल एज IPR सीनियर्स का कोई मैसेज मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस टाइमलाइन दैट ही हैज ऑलरेडी शोन। रवि, इट इज योर स्कूल, दिस वन। This concept of how is here.
Ravi has many great qualities. He is committed
to his work. He helped his university colleagues to enter what was then an alien field to many of them. He ensured that the grants would be paid promptly. All of this went on to make NFP the success that it was. It was indeed recognized so by BRNS. Thank you, Ravi, for making this happen. On this occasion of Ravi's retirement from service, I recall gratefully his contributions to NFP and other extension activities in IPR. I sincerely wish him many years of healthy, happy and productive retired life.
Next. इसका तो कुछ वॉइस ऑडियो मैसेज नहीं मिला, तो हमारा एक पीएचडी स्टूडेंट सब दिया है, कहाँ आ रहा है? हाँ?
Dear Ravi, congratulations and warm felicitations on your superannuation and all good wishes for a very happy, healthy and productive retirement. Retirement is an odd word to use for somebody like you who is still so young and energetic. So let's call it next chapter of your active life. May it be wonderful and glorious as the present one that you spent at IPR. Your long innings at IPR has certainly been a very distinguished and illustrious one. You have made significant many scientific and technical and educational areas of the institute and played a key role in developing many new initiatives. For me, it has been a great pleasure and privilege to have known you and worked with you. I have greatly admired your creativity and enthusiasm and your keen eye for beauty in and around you. I recall the beautiful photographs you have taken on your many nature tracks and keen sense of aesthetics that comes through in them. This sensitivity combined with your love for science communication has really found its fullest expression in the outreach program and facility that you have set up over the past few years, and that has helped it out put people IPR in front of ranks of science outreach activities in the country. I hope this is something you will continue to pursue in your next innings along with your other creative pursuits of photography and science writing. I wish you all success.
Next one, Dr. Amit Rai, he was associated with IPR, particularly with Ravi for NHS program.
I came to know Dr. Ravi Kumar in 2007 while attending the first meeting of a newly formed Board of Research in Fusion Science and Technology, BRFST. I was very much impressed by his sincerity, dedication and methodological way he handled the major responsibility of functioning of the board. He was handling the organization of the meetings, doing the preliminary work of getting the proposals, sorting them out, preparing the schedules of presentations and arrangements for the stay and travel. This was in addition to his R&D work on his plasma acceleration project. He scheduled all these responsibilities always with a smile on his face. He can claim a large part of the credit of the success of BRFST program, which later morphed into Plasma and Fusion Research Committee under the Board of Research in Nuclear Science of DAE and functioned till 2018. Since then, he has handled the outreach program of IPR with his characteristic enthusiasm. I am sure that even after his superannuation, Ravi would remain busy utilizing his communication and outreach skills for the benefit of the society. I wish him a long, active and healthy life.
Another board member from NFP, Dr. Ashish Kumar.
In order to promote research and development in the area of fusion science and technology, National Fusion Program under Institute for Plasma Research initiated R&D collaborations in various areas of plasma and fusion science and technology. It was meant for interested plasma scientists and engineers from universities, institutes, colleges as well as industries. Financial assistance for the conducting R&D projects was provided through the board initially named Board of Research in Fusion Science and Technology, later renamed as Board of Research in Nuclear Science in Plasma Science. The funding agency was Department of Atomic Energy. Right from its inception, the committee was chaired by Professor P.I. John. As Secretary BRNS, Ravi, under the guidance of Professor John, took the great initiative in sensitizing plasma fraternity in
various institutes, universities and colleges to take up projects relevant to fusion research. With his initiative, a good number of projects proposals were up to approval.
Ravi, along with money, not only interacted and encouraged the interested scientists and engineers from various institutes to put up the proposal, but also helped them in submitting the proposals in a proper format in meticulous details. This was possible because of his genuine love and desire in promoting plasma science and technology all over the country. Now he is retiring. I am sure his love for plasma will take him to higher energy levels. Dear Ravi, welcome to Senior Citizens Club. Wish you a long, productive and fruitful days ahead.
Ravi is one of the dearest friend and a valuable colleague for me for a very long time. After joining IPR, initially he has worked on microwave FEL. After that he started working on plasma accelerator and developed a plasma accelerator lab at IPR. He worked as a head of the computer division also and guided his colleagues. He is friendly with his colleagues and juniors. Those who needed his help were never disappointed, as he always strived to provide whatever help was possible. Apart from his scientific contribution, he is well known for his contribution in PSSI, National Fusion Program as Secretary of BRFST and PFRC, National Science Day and Outreach Division of IPR. He propagated knowledge of plasma and its application in school and college students, general public not only in Gujarat but also in different parts of India. I have in all these years never found him to lose his cool or get frustrated at any situation. It was a pleasure to work with him for about 30 years. Hearty congratulations to Dr. Ravi on completion of your successful journey at IPR and wish you many more years of the good health and active life. Good luck and welcome to the new era of your journey. Thank you.
He also doesn't need any introduction. One of the old members.
We were the only institute and team in India to work on plasma wake-field accelerator, where we successfully and beautifully made a sustained 400 mm by 50 mm column of uniform temperature high density lithium vapor and successfully iodized it with excimer laser to produce plasma of required parameters. Another first in India, but yet with ground to earth in publicly, is the demonstration of high power millimeter wave generation in free electron laser set up with the electromagnet Wiggler and REB generator. Through that, two came to a stop before we could try with a new and better source of electron beam. Altogether, it was 35 years of creative expressions all along, with almost everything custom made to make things work, all made possible with an association, shared life and freedom that was most vibrant and effective. One that makes one feel that life is too small when such relationships and teams come up, but then, to borrow his unfrequent phrase, that's life. I wish you, Ravi, a beautiful time ahead with a spectrum of interested to purpose with your vision, enthusiasm and leadership. I am sure you would make the coming time splendid.
He is very skilled. He studied there in university, is it? I heard that he is Nandu is also retiring today. Oh. Ah. He is your college buddy. क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? क्या? नहीं, पीछे जाना है, पीछे.
Good morning, Ravi. As you enter the new phase in your life, I wish you all the very best and a very joyful life ahead. I know that you have done a very considerable contribution to IPR in your academic and research pursuits. I'm very happy to interact with you, and our friendship over the years has become stronger and stronger. As you have mentioned, you're going to relocate back to Kochi. I'm sure that we will have more time to spend together. Welcome to the Sweet 60 Club, my dear Ravi. I wish you very best once again.
Ravi, where do we even begin? Remember the time when you timidly walked into my office room and introduced yourself as a fellow laser spectroscopist many years back. I should have walked away from you that time and never looked back. Then I would have missed all those roller coaster rides of discussion and on laser-guided spectroscopy, free electron lasers, thermographic breast cancer detection, Indian National Fusion Program, funding fusion research project in Indian universities, etc. Man, did I miss those days. I sincerely thank you for those times indeed. Speaking of memories, how could we forget your contribution
in organizing those innovative meetings, workshops, conferences, etc. related to plasma science and technology at IPR India. You told me some time back that you are going to vanish somewhere down south after retirement, wearing lungi, lie under coconut trees on some sandy beach along the Arabian Sea and just keep drinking and thinking about life. While we wish for the dream of yours to come true, we are sure that you will be parting soon back on your route. Farewell, dear friend.
छाया तो इधर ही है. I will not run the audio or video file. You have to come here and say something. अभी next. Last. Now I will show some of the Ravi's role in different parts of his life. As a child, he has always shown. Then with his old friends. Ravi, who is he?
That is Vishnu Bhaiya.
Vishnu Bhaiya. During the outreach program. हाँ ये तो शंकर कौन सा नीचे वाला है? Why did you mute this policeman?
So that is because we have gone to Pavitra, Guwahati. So the forest ranger will accompany.
Oh.
You have to see the rhino. Not president.
Armed police.
कब करो बताएंगे.
ये किसने बनाया?
ये मेरे भाई के घर पे आनंद में. वो तो ऊपर का मत देखो, वो तो ये डायरेक्ट मिस्टर है तो मिस्टर वो पता नहीं.
ये पालतू पर पोपट है. तो आपको यार बार नहीं चाहिए ये क्या है?
पूछो मत, no questions. Central one is my true face.
फूटी क्या खा रहे हो? ये तो केकड़ा है।
केकड़ा है।
हाँ, then ये
ट्रैकिंग में that is some bug, I don't know.
ये तो तुम्हारा घर का
तो
है।
मेरा घर का है।
ये एवरीबॉडी नोज।
That is पुजारी। Kiki Pujari from BRC.
अच्छा अच्छा पुजारी। यंग एज है। हाँ देखना रवि कितना यंग था। So that is Ravi. And different roles, scientific committee, science day committee, newsletter committee. This is the old outreach group. This is a new outreach group. Next one is as an experimentalist. He never bothered about the dress code. See the right top corner.
I'm doing my MSc project.
हाँ ये वाला कितना प्यारा है सिलेंडर अच्छा PhD कोचिंग
First got a bottle of, I think helium for the first time.
and the Japan lab Japan visiting
That
faculty
is accelerator there, FEL. That is my professor, Soyama, my building, Kato. And those are my students. The third one. So we are doing an experiment. So taking shots. This is the control room of the lineup. This is again back in IPR and making electrodes for the RAD. I think this is Spring 8, the bottom one. So second time I went, I had a project in Spring 8. That was a team.
so as an experimentalist name next as a teacher or creator मतलब mentor बहुत सारी जगह आपने हर आउटरीच प्रोग्राम पहले जो स्टूडेंट्स को then another role you are selling some sheep or
That is Sundarbans.
अच्छा सुंदर मोटर बोट
So that the board is sleeping behind me there.
अच्छा बेड
Kitchen चला था.
मैं
That is Mount Fuji.
हाँ
Mount Fuji. This is again, I think, Mizoram. I think
Jungle
Mizoram
safari?
is part of this plan.
जंगल सफारी
The top one.
Hmm.
Mizoram. Mizoram track.
तो आपका म्यूजिक में भी बहुत
That is my younger brother.
अच्छा म्यूजिक में भी आपका ये है इंटरेस्ट है सिमिलरली आपका डांस में अच्छा सो नाउ मुस्ताच रवि पहले आप मूछे रखते थे डिफरेंट एक तो थिक मूछ देन योर ये कब कितना पुराना है
Must be 2018.
मतलब बहुत पुराना
18.
मतलब 18 तो आपको देख के अभिनंदन ने ये किया
ये मुझे पता नहीं, but 18.
But now he is clean shaved. He is a helping his friend to lighting the cigarette.
That is my PhD guy.
Oh, but he himself is smoking weed.
That is a story which I don't want to repeat. It is a little messy, but fine. It was a good time. Then I met with the teacher. He was an estate manager in Munnar.
अच्छा
So he went there for a 2-day visit. He stuck around for 2 weeks.
The next one is bike lovers, right from your school, Kerala days. ये केरला का नंबर है.
That's my home.
Then IPR में पहले ये वाला बाइक था.
Where is scooter?
It's a scooter. And it's a loving husband also. It's another role. I personally feel about him is the middle of IPR. Whatever he touched, he turned into the gold. We consider this NLP program almost 200 projects, and then that cost around almost more than 55 crores. Then you see that computer center, when he was the heading of the computer center, whatever you are getting this internet facility on internet, that is because of this data center and his initiative. So it touched the NLP, it turns into the gold. It touched the computer center, it also turns into the gold. And the PSSI, his contribution is immense, right from the web-based revenue. Then whenever we require that Ajay prize, then I applique certificate बना दो. Within few minutes वो certificate बना कर दे देते हैं. Back मतलब PSSI का back side से जितना सारी help चाहिए, right from the abstract selection, abstract का site, that web page development, everything. Newsletter. So here also it turns into the gold. Outreach का तो कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है. So many outreach activities. Here outreach का ये भी and next month we are going to have that dome also. We will have a full-fledged solar telescope. That is, we'll call them. We'll call him. So whatever it touched, it turned into gold. But particularly the outreach, it touched and it turns into the diamond. It's even better. Now, the second of the service life is relaxing. Relaxing very. And indeed, he's a fantastic scientist, organizer, leader, co-worker, and even better friend. Wishing you a very happy retirement, full of joy, peace, and happiness. Thank you.
Now I will request Dr. Mani to say something about Ravi. You are his roommate, I think, since beginning till end.
Okay, so today I'll tell you one more secret. In 2008, I was resigning from IPR, and I went to the resign letter to director office. He is the one person, he told me, Mani, we can do a lot of things here also. Thank you, Ravi. Probably, I don't know how it all gone. You know, having a roommate like Ravi is very lucky, because he helps you in all the, what are the problems you face? I mean, I don't have any words to say that he helped me, because, and there is a moral support. Now I'm very depressed that from tomorrow I'm going to sit. Ravi is not. Last month, he came and asked me, Mani, do you want to have a roommate? I told, I want only Ravi as a roommate. But give me a VRS, I'll make sure that Ravi is. No, but that, I would get the so sit in your home, get food, but salary. Yeah, anyway, Ravi got introduced to me through Mukherjee. That's an interesting story. Today I'm remembering. In fact, that also, during my days, I wanted on capacity. he told come after 5:30. So I was asking why he is telling me to come after 5:30. Mukherjee, can I tell the story? So around 5:25 I reached there. It was giving me the capacity. He told no, wait, let Ravi go. I thought, who is Ravi? Then I thought Ravi must be a South Indian. Then I went to him. I got introduced. Then I told him I came here to take a capacitor. But he didn't know that I'm going to take capacitor from the bank what he has. So I completed my PhD with that capacitor. So after that long time I was afraid to go there. But then later Nilima came to meet Ranjana and she found that hey, this capacitor is from our lab. Then she went and told him that this guy has stolen everything. So at that time, and then after a long time, around 2 years, when I met Ravi in the Beta lab, he told many PhDs like that. First you ask for it, beg, borrow or steal. But somehow Mukherjee taught me to do the third one first. So even today I call him Guruji. But anyway, Ravi, thank you for giving me the capacitor with your knowledge. Anyway, I have no other words because now I think in my home, my daughters, they remember Ravi very well. There are many ways he helped my daughters also. And you know that now my younger daughters at home. When Sudha packs up a breakfast in the morning, my younger daughter makes sure that, make sure that Ravi also gets one. Whatever I bring, I used to give him. So now I don't know how my life is going to be from Monday. Let's see. Thank you. But Ravi, thank you very much. Have a nice life.
As Mani said that the breakfast. So once I asked Ravi, what is the secret of having Mani as a roommate for last 20 years? So that is because Mani's wife sent breakfast idli to him every day. Okay, I request Chaya.
मैं और रवि ऑलमोस्ट 30 इयर्स से साथ में काम कर रहे हैं और आई मस्ट से दैट वॉट एवर आई नो ऑफिशियली जितना भी मैं कुछ भी कर पाई हूँ आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू हिम. मैंने एक पूरा लिस्ट बनाया था कि क्या क्या चीज़ें मैंने उसके पास से सीखी है. जस्ट ही टोल्ड मी नॉट टू रीड अबाउट इट बट आई मस्ट से दैट it's like officially or personally wherever I was needed any help he was like my backbone and for some of the things I really thankful to Krishna also for those things. I learned from him about planning and scheduling. It involves like invitation, registration, food, accommodation, excursion, certification, effective communication, time management, discipline, punctuality, public speaking. The thing is like even if there is any problem, your face should be smiling and you should always looking like a pleasant. Those things also I learned from him. I know him personally so many years, so I know him more than he himself because I know what is next going to come. Whether he will be shouting at me or he will be smiling at it. And it's very difficult to say goodbye to a friend. So let us make it see you later, not goodbye. Thank you.
I'll request Dr. Mukherjee to say a few words about Ravi.
Good evening, friends. With Dr. Ravi Kumar, there has been a very long association in different ways. So I will just tell two of them, and one of them, many of you may not be knowing, that there is a very prestigious international fellowship in the government of Japan called as JSPS fellowship. It is after PhD, and he's the only one from IPR who has got it. I think we should clap for him. We know that he is a JSPS fellow, but people who doesn't know what is the level of JSPS is one of the topmost postdoctoral fellowships in the world. So he's the only one, as to my understanding. Okay, now I will tell one thing, which is I will tell the other thing, which I. So we had our plasma meeting in Kottayam. So Nanda Kumar, as you saw, he was our host at that time. So prior to that, myself and Ravi, we both went to see how is the preparation and everything. So we had nice fish from the local waters with tapioca and things like that in a very roadside dhaba. Anyway, so while we were coming back, and this is pre-COVID, so we didn't have web check-in and things like that. You have to go to the counter and get your seat. And it was Indigo, there was a direct flight from Cochin to Ahmedabad. So Ravi started smiling and telling the lady at the counter, they were giving all the middle seats to us. You do work hard and things like that all throughout the day. So many passengers, this and that. And he managed a window seat. Mine anyway was middle, even to begin with. And he told that he needs the seat on the right side of the plane, at the back side of the plane. I didn't know what was the reason behind it. For me, it doesn't matter. But I realized after that, the moment the plane started taking off, the camera was with him and he started taking pictures. This taking of his love for pictures, I realized that later on he was smiling and making, finally that lady gave him a window seat, mine was middle. But the reason was actually he wanted to take those pictures, and Cochin and that airport is extremely nice once you take off and everything. So this is something, even though we may see a lighter part of him, he's always smiling and everything, but inside he must be thinking much more in a creative manner. And as I told few days back, of course people have told about outreach and PSSI, BRFST and everything. But for me, his only thing is, I remember that, that student from a different school, standing somewhere here and showing him with his expressive eyes whatever he has seen in the lab. He was not speaking, he was making some sign language. Of course, I didn't understand. But his expression in the eyes is something, so that I will remember. And I hope that we do many such events to bring these underprivileged students or students who are handicapped in some way. They get the best exposures. Because I always feel that talent is everywhere. It is only someone gets exposure, someone doesn't get exposure. That's the difference. So Ravi, all the best and just chill. Whatever.
Now I'll request Chandramouli to say some words about Dr. Ravi. Chandramouli said that he will sing one song also.
Thank you. Just a few words. As Chaya said, a smiling face. First observation. He is enthusiastic in all the aspects, and always he did work passionately. This is what I say. And when I joined in '96, in initial years we had a lot of collaborations in music. You have seen that he was playing tabla in one of the photographs, and he used to play tabla. I don't know whether he does it. And I see now, I also saw that he was dancing. This also I did not know. But and Manu told me that he once upon a time he was learning Urdu. He told me the episode. So now I will try to sing a few lines of old Hamare Zamane ka ek gana. I don't know whether you like it. Few words, a few lines only.
ये साथ गुजारे हुए लम्हों की दौलत, ये साथ गुजारे हुए लम्हों की दौलत, जज्बात की दौलत, ख्यालात की दौलत, जज्बात की दौलत, ख्यालात की दौलत, पास न हो पास सौगात तो होगी, बीते हुए लम्हों की कसक साथ तो होगी, ख्वाबों में भी हो चाहे मुलाकात तो होगी, बीते हुए लम्हों की कसक साथ तो होगी, ख्वाबों में भी आहे मुलाकात तो होगी। थैंक यू।
बहुत बड़े चंद्रमौली जी, थैंक यू। Now I'll call Krishna madam to say something about Ravi. आप कुछ, हाँ वही अभी बताइए, सच्चाई बताइए बेसिकली। अभी तक तो हम ऐसे क्या है रवि आखिर अंदर से।
Thank you for having me here. So after listening to all that was said, I hope the same enthusiasm remains when he comes home. न मुझे तबला बनाए, न फोटोग्राफी के पीछे भागना पड़े मुझे ट्राइपॉड लेके. But I think in the larger picture, I am glad that IPR gave him the opportunity to do the science he loves so much, and also through the outreach he could take science to the common, whether it's students or public. So I'm glad that he got the opportunity to do that, and I'm thankful to IPR on his behalf for giving him that opportunity. As far as retired life is concerned, I'll have to decipher how he is going to keep his enthusiasm, but I'm sure he'll find his ways. He has already a long list of to-do list. So let us hope it will be a new beginning for us. And thank you once again.
थैंक यू अभी। नाउ किसी को अगर कुछ और रवि के बारे में बोलना है तो वो परितोष को अप्रोच करे। परितोष जिसको रिकमेंड करेंगे उसी को मैं बोल पाता हूँ। आई विल कॉल शुक्ला जी।
एक्चुअली एनीवे, बताएगा वो वाला फिर भी बोल रहे। एक्चुअली क्या हुआ है, हम एक्चुअली लगभग 10 साल पहले की बात है। हम लोगों के अप्रोक्सीमेटली है, हम लोग गए जो है कि कुछ पता नहीं कि ठीक है या ये शायद सब जगह मिसिंग होगा जो शायद ये, तो वो उर्दू देखने के लिए हम लोग जो है वैसे हम गए, हम देखने के लिए साथ में देखा कि रवि भी आ रहे हैं। अब देखा ये था कि हम लोगों ने 3 महीने तक उर्दू सीखा। वो सिक्के बता, इसीलिए मैं बोला था कोई सिक्के जो है। अच्छा ये बताया ना, 3 महीने तक जो है वो जो है सीखा, और उसमें एक ही क्वेश्चन में पूछेंगे कि वो कौन सी जयंती की एक भी क्लास नहीं किया। भाई हमारे गुरुजी जैसे थे वो पढ़ाने वाले, सिखाने वाले, तो उसके कारण हम लोग शायद जो है वो नहीं कर पाए थे, कोई भी नहीं किया, लेकिन उर्दू सीख पाए थे। तो एक वो डिटेल एक मोहतरमा जो है बुरके में आती थी, और फिर और हम लोगों को आने के लिए जो है तो हम लोगों ने वो न तो क्लास मिस किए और न हम उर्दू सीख पाए। वो तो नहीं बात है। हाँ? अरे वो वो बाद में आया, उनके बाद में आया। तो ये एक ऐसी थी जिससे हम लोग काफी शेयर किए, काफी कई महीनों तक जो है हम लोग एक क्लासमेट रहे हैं इस तरीके से। हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं रवि, ये नई शुरुआत है आपकी, बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से नई शुरुआत हो, और आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
शुक्ला जी ये बात रवि पहले बता चुका था 2-4 दिन पहले। हाँ, पर उन्होंने नाम नहीं बताया था आपको। उसने आपको बहुत, रवि ने आपको बहुत प्रोटेक्ट किया था एक्चुअली, पर आपने अपनी खुद की पोल खोल दिया। कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। अभी अब जो भी किया सजा तो भुगतनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है। अभी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, रवि के ग्रुप से हर्षा है यहाँ पे। हर्षा कहाँ है? अरे भाई खाना बाद में खा लेना भाई।
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak for a person who has versatile and dynamic personality. I knew him through BRFST, newsletters, and so many platforms. And he looked very hardworking and dynamic person. But when I got an opportunity to work with him, I feel that he indeed very hardworking and dynamic person. And what can I say about him? He is very, very hardworking, and the thing is that we will miss him very much, because he is running a group like, means he keeps continue to engage everybody continuously. वो खुद नहीं बैठता है ना किसी को बैठने देता है। And in kind, he is a very good human being, and I wish in his next inning he will do very fantastic work, and I wish him very all the best for his future, and keep in touch in future.
बॉस का खौफ कितना खतरनाक होता है, नहीं देखा आपने? हर्षा को अभी भी लग रहा है कि रवि मेरा बॉस है। अरे भाई वो रिटायर हो है। एनीवे आई कॉल हर्षद, अभी खड़े थे आप कुछ speak something from admin side. Scientist.
Thank you very much. We had a good association with Mr. Ravi. The entire administration had a very nice association, and he was always helpful to us in whatever way we wanted the help. On one of the occasions, I really remember, and what the young generation needs to learn from him is like when we were together at the FEC at Japan. At that point of time, he minutely had a look at the arrangements that were done at the FEC over there. He took down the notes, and when we came on, it was very helpful to us. So I mean, generations, that eye for detail that he has, not only for the photography, but even for the other things. This is something I think that one needs to learn from him, and he's a very nice person. And I wish him all the best for his future. Thank you.
रवि, इतने सारे अच्छे काम ठीक नहीं होते हैं एक्चुअली, थोड़ा गड़बड़ भी करना चाहिए. एडमिन भी आपके बारे में अच्छा बोल रहा है, मतलब सही में आपने अच्छा ही काम. आई रिक्वेस्ट राहुल, ही इज़ द, मैं इनका इंट्रोडक्शन कर देता हूँ, आप लोग नहीं जानते होंगे. He is the young person joined Ravi's group since last 6 months. He is in this group. आप सच बोलना लेकिन.
मैं सच बोलूँ. मैंने लास्ट ईयर अगस्त में ज्वाइन किया आउटरीच ग्रुप को, और मेरे आने के बाद छाया मैडम भी चली गई थी दिसंबर में, और फिर अभी रवि सर जा रहे हैं, तो मेरे को काफ़ी बुरा लग रहा है. रवि सर से काफ़ी कुछ मेरे को सीखने को मिला, और ये काफ़ी इन्होंने मेरे को एडिटिंग काफ़ी बताया, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग भी उन्होंने ही बताया मेरे को, और इमेज कैसे पोस्ट प्रोसेस करना है ये भी मेरे को काफ़ी कई सारे सॉफ्टवेयर, फ्रीवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर को बताया. और मैंने सबको बहुत कुछ सीखा. उनको ऐसे मैंने जैसे कि लोग APJ अब्दुल कलाम को आइडियल मानते हैं लेकिन देखते नहीं हैं, लेकिन मैंने एक आइडियल पर्सन को खुद अपने आंखों से देखा अपने ही डिपार्टमेंट में, और काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला. और बस मैं इनके जैसा डिसिप्लिन बनना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन अभी तक कुछ सीख नहीं पाया, तो उसको अभी सीखेंगे, अभी बहुत टाइम है. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस दिस मच ट्रेनिंग. थैंक यू.
राहुल, ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन ठीक नहीं रहता है. अभी मैं एक स्पेशल पर्सन को यहाँ पे बुलाना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि 2 महीने बाद वो भी रिटायर हो रहे हैं. तो अभी वो जो बोलेंगे वो आपसे अपने रिटायरमेंट में वैसे ही कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे. डॉक्टर अवस्थी.
एक्चुअली जब हमने स्टाफ क्लब का हेड इसे बनाया ना, तभी कि आगे हमारा टाइम कैसा आने वाला है, डिफिकल्ट टाइम. तो ये कुछ प्लान नहीं था. आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट आई विल गिव रवि पर्सनल विशेस, बट इसने मुझे वो डायस तक ले आया. ठीक है, तो पहले तो मैं मैडम आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. आप दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ, आपकी लाइफ अच्छी रहे, हैप्पी लाइफ जिए, एंड एंजॉय योर टाइम. दिस थिंग फर्स्ट. सेकंड, रवि, we met once, first, and I had a wonderful experience with you. You are silent, not too much interactive with me, but occasionally we used to talk, and whenever we talked, it was good. So I can say that you have served IPR to your best, like so many things they have shown. I don't think that these people will get so much entertainment when they will say me bye-bye. Because I don't have so many things to show, except my work and my friendship. But anyhow, I am very happy that there are so many things behind, which can be an example for others, like young generation, because many young people are sitting here. And good luck to you for your future life. Be in. Thank you.
So, Say sorry to Partosh for this lateral entry. So now I call Priyanka.
मैंने रवि सर के साथ तो वैसे ग्रुप में कुछ काम नहीं किए हैं, बट 2013 से साइंस डे स्टार्ट हुआ था। उस टाइम पे मुझे पता नहीं था कि रवि सर का कैसे बट मैंने कुछ लोगों से सुना था कि रवि सर स्ट्रिक्ट है, गुस्से वाले, तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता था। जैसे हमारा कुछ मीटिंग्स भी होता था तो मुझे ऐसा लगता कि सर को क्या पूछूँ क्या ना पूछूँ ऐसे। तो एट दैट टाइम मीनवाइल मैं थोड़ा सा छाया मैम का हेल्प लेती थी कुछ कन्वे करने के लिए कि मैम ये काम सर ने दिया था बट संभव कुछ नहीं हुआ ऐसा लाइक दैट। फिर जैसे जैसे काम करते गए फिर पता चला कि वो जो डर था और आज का डर दोनों में डिफरेंस है। उस टाइम भी सुना था, फिर पता चला कि जब काम नहीं करते तब डांट पड़ती है, बाकी सर स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है। मतलब ऐसे मतलब फालतू में गुस्सा नहीं करते कि बस ऐसे मैं सीनियर हूँ तो मैं आपको गुस्सा करूँगी, ऐसा नॉट लाइक दैट। फिर साइंस डे हुआ था 2013 से, तब हम साथ में काम करें। तो उसके बाद में न्यूज़लेटर कमेटी 15 अगस्त को फर्स्ट एडिशन रिलीज़ हुआ था, तो उस टाइम पे भी साथ में काम करना हुआ था। एट दैट टाइम ओनली 8 कमेटी मेंबर्स थे हम, एंड एज ऑफ नाउ मतलब उसमें ऐसा था कि 15 को रिलीज़ हो रहा था, 15 एवरी मंथ ऑफ 15 रिलीज़ होता था। एंड 2015 से फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ मतलब एवरी मंथ फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ रिलीज़ होता था। तो आज तक मतलब 131 एडिशंस रिलीज़ हुए, तो उस तक का जो काम साथ में किया एंड साइंस डे 2013 से आज तक जो साथ में काम किया, तो उसमें मुझे रवि सर से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। जैसे कि सर ने ऐसा सिखाया कि कुछ भी हो काम, कोई भी काम दिया जाता हो तो उसमें ना कभी भी मतलब पहली बात ये था कि सर कभी भी हमसे काम नहीं हुआ, फेल हो गया, कुछ भी टूट गया, ब्रेक हुआ, कुछ भी हो तो सर कभी ब्लेम नहीं करते थे, नेवर। सर हमेशा बोलते कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, तो व्हाट नेक्स्ट, अभी हमें आगे क्या करना है उसके बारे में हम सोचते हैं। देन ऑलवेज सर हम जैसे साइंस डे हुआ उस टाइम पे सर कभी किसी का वेट नहीं करते कि जूनियर्स आएंगे वो करेंगे, लेबर्स आएंगे तब करेंगे। साइंस डे हुआ कुछ लगता है कि कुछ काम करना बाकी है तो सर ऑन द स्पॉट वो खुद करते थे मतलब। तो ये देख के बाकी जो जितने लोग हैं तो वो सब कुछ मतलब एक्टिव हो जाते थे और काम करने लग जाते थे। देन सर ने हमको ये भी सिखाया था कि कुछ मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि गलत हो रहा है या फिर हमको मतलब उस टाइम पे गट्स दिखाना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार आपको ऐसे ही कुछ आपके साथ रॉन्ग हो रहा है तो फिर आप ऐसे ही मतलब सहन करता सीखो, नॉट लाइक दैट। देन सर ने हमको ये भी सिखाया था कि ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बैलेंस लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ, दोनों को बैलेंस करना चाहिए। नॉट लाइक दैट कि आप जस्ट प्रोफेशनल लाइफ से फिर डेडिकेटली उसमें काम करो और आपका पर्सनल लाइफ का बैलेंस ना हो, नॉट लाइक दैट। बट मंडे टू फ्राइडे 9 to 5:30 डेडिकेट आप काम कीजिए एंड आप उसमें मतलब कि काम कीजिए एंड बैलेंस लाइफ और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ दोनों को मतलब प्रोफेशनल दोनों लाइफ को बैलेंस कीजिए। उसके अलावा एक मुझे बहुत अच्छा चीज़ लगता था, कुछ भी काम करो तो सर ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट करते थे एंड एक्नॉलेज ऑलवेज मिलता था। ऐसा नहीं लगा कभी भी कि हमने काम किया और हमको उस काम के लिए कभी भी एक्नॉलेज या फिर अप्रिशिएट नहीं मिलता था। और जो भी मीटिंग्स रहती थी सारी मीटिंग में फुल ट्रांसपेरेंसी, फर्स्ट साइंस डे से आज तक लास्ट जो साइंस डे हुआ तब और फर्स्ट न्यूज़लेटर मीटिंग से आज तक जो मीटिंग्स हुआ तब। एंड इवन 2014 में अक्टूबर मंथ में एक DI का जुबली सेलिब्रेशन हुआ था। उस टाइम पे भी बाट जो अपना गांव है बाट गाँव, उसमें सरपंच के थी कि उसने यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर्स वहाँ पे दिए थे और उनको जो सिखाने के लिए ट्रेनिंग देना था, बेसिक MS ऑफिस समथिंग लाइक, तो उसमें भी हम इन्वॉल्व थे। उस टाइम पे भी सर का काफ़ी हमको सपोर्ट्स मिला था, मोटिवेट करते थे। तो ऑलवेज हमको काफ़ी कुछ सर से सीखने को मिला है और अप्रिशिएट भी किया है और बैकअप हमको रहा। पहले तो हमको क्या था, एक बताना चाहूँगी कि न्यूज़लेटर में हमको ना टेक्निकल आर्टिकल्स नहीं मिलते थे, बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम्स था। तो जैसे मैंने बताया कि स्टार्टिंग से मीटिंग होता था सर बोलते थे कि मैंने आर्टिकल्स आपको दिए थे कलेक्ट करने के लिए, बोला था कि टेक्निकल आर्टिकल्स कलेक्ट हुआ, क्या हुआ उसका, क्यों नहीं आया। फिर हमको ऐसे बताया कि सर अभी नहीं मिल रहे, वो बताने में थोड़ा सा डर लगता था। फिर सर ने बोला कि आई नो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट, ओके डोंट बी अफ्रेड, बट मतलब कि हमको ऐसे ट्राई करते रहना है, ठीक है। फिर हमको पता चला कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको डरना है, एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकली मतलब यही है, हम बहुत एफर्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमको सर को। फिर जब हम 2-3 बार मतलब ग्रुप लीडर को मिलते हैं, ईमेल करते हैं, फिर भी नहीं मिलता है, देन सर का एक सपोर्ट आता था, सर ऑन द स्पॉट ईमेल लिखते थे, जब वो ऑब्वियसली वो बताएंगे पता चला नहीं करते तो हमको डांट पड़ती है। अदरवाइज सर इतने स्ट्रिक्ट थे, बट बहुत को ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करना है। जो 2030 में जो साइंस सिटी में था साइंस कार्निवल प्रोग्राम, तो हम दोनों को कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए बोला था। तो पता नहीं आपने साइंस जो किया था तो उसमें हमको कुछ सिखाया था। तो उसके बाद में फिर हमको सर ने बोला कि साइंस सिटी में साइंस कार्निवल का इवेंट करना है, तो आप लोगों को वहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट करना है। तो फिर हमको वो बोला था। तो सर थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड विश यू हैप्पी डिजाइनिंग लाइफ।
प्रियंका, रवि के अंदर इतने गुण हैं, इतना रवि को भी नहीं पता होगा। परितोष मेरे को बार बार डांट रहा, सिंह बंद करवाओ बंद करवाओ मैंने बोला परितोष अब कहाँ रवि को मौका मिलने वाला है, सुन ले। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट, आओ चलो, आप ध्यान रखना लेकिन है। प्रियंका सब कुछ बोल चुकी है।
Ravi must be wondering what I am going to talk about him. Okay, I'll talk about. See, there are many things which one can talk about Ravi's boyish looks, his smiling face, his friendly nature, but I experienced it personally. I think it was around 2010. Ravi was supposed to give a talk in IUSC on Wakefield acceleration. Okay, now his juniors have said, okay, Ravi sir ये कराते ये ज़बरदस्ती कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, मतलब, but I have if Ravi wants something to be done, he'll make sure it gets done. So for that talk, Ravi wanted some numbers. I think he was designing the Wakefield accelerator at that time. So Ravi used to come every day to my room. Sudeep, give me numbers. I'll take care. Sudeep, give me numbers. Every morning. I didn't know what to do with those numbers, but he wanted some numbers. So one day I said, okay, I'll give you, if you want numbers, I'll give you numbers. So we sat through one afternoon, full calculation, and with those just few numbers, Ravi presented an excellent talk at IUSC. In fact, it was my first visit to IUSC, and Ravi had visited earlier. He was very happy for obvious reasons. We were going to Delhi. Yeah, reasons were obvious, Ravi. So that day, when I was attending the conference, I had no poster, no talk. So it was I was in a happy situation. But Ravi had to present. So I remember he sat through the night, prepared the talk, and morning he woke me up with a bed tea. I think he has done it for you also now. he woke me up with a bed tea, biscuits and a cigarette, right? So thank you Ravi for all that. And next I remember when he started his outreach program, one day he called me, you just come to my, I want to tell you what he is doing. So for 1 hour, he gave a fantastic talk on plasma application. Fantastic talk, 1 hour. I was very impressed. So Ravi's presentation skills are, I mean, nothing can be said about it. Very good. Okay, thank you Ravi.
Thank you, Sudeep. Now I'll call Dr. Nema, Ravi's first roommate. Mani was the all-time roommate after him.
Yeah, hi Ravi. So I wish you all the best. थोड़ा हमारा पुराना याद करके बड़ा तो लास्ट 1 महीने के बाद ही रवि ने ज्वाइन किया था मेरे. आई ज्वाइन इन मार्च, रवि ज्वाइन इन अप्रैल. सो और एंड देन उसके तुरंत ही बाद में हमारा मैरिज भी फिक्स हो गया था. मेरा भी हो गया, रवि का भी फिक्स हो गया. So we used to stay in Sadar Nagar, and in the evening पर अपने I was remaining my wife would be So काफ़ी टाइम हमारा उस समय ये निकला. It was a very good time. Yeah. Good. So yes. आगे भी मिलेगा. आप आते रहिए. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Already काफ़ी प्रशंसा. तो मैं जस्ट ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि 60 सीनियर सिटीजन हो गए हैं. 60 के बाद हिंदी में बोलते सठिया गए. सठिया गए मतलब थोड़ा इसको ढीला हो गया है. तो कृष्णा हैज टू बियर दैट. Okay, best of luck.
Thank you, Nemaji. So now we are concluding. Still, if someone feels that he should be heard, अगर वो रवि के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहे ऐसा जो हमको नहीं पता हो, तो इज मोस्ट वेलकम. एनीबडी? गोविंद. अच्छा, हाँ, सही बात.
इतने देर से अंदर आने के लिए जगह ही नहीं मिल रहा था. So I'm quite lucky. I always got best in throughout life. So obviously Ravi sir was the same, and whatever the development you have seen after one change in this IT, so maximum credit goes to the Ravi sir, because the base what we have made during his tenure as well as Shashank sir's tenure. So IT has become a platform with more high availability and the service delivery. So there are things which, and it will continue another maybe decade only. The base is down. We have the name in the DA itself as well as outside also. So it started with his tenure. Obviously it was there, efforts were made, but we can give the tenure to his duration when he was the head computer division. So apart from that, I have known him personally, and obviously we have a friendly, connection with each other. So even we had some fights and all those things. So, but they were, good fights for the, development of better IT services and related things. At personal level, we interact each other with different level. That is another thing. But as a professional thing, we have implemented so many things, and I think you all agree when there was a phase change. So that's it from my side. And madam, थोड़ा झेलना पड़ेगा इनको अभी आपको because he will be free and I don't know what and all ideas he will be getting. that I'm not sure. So thank you, sir, and I thank from all our IT as the people who are known you, who are under you. So thank you very much, and we wish you good luck, and we will be interacting obviously. Thank you.
तो अगर रवि आपको ज़्यादा परेशान करे ना तो बता देना, हम इनको कंसल्टेंट बुला लेंगे आई पी. सो नाउ इट इज़ फाइनल, कर्टन फॉलिंग. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट रवि टू से समथिंग अबाउट, उनकी हमने नहीं सुनी ना, उनकी भी सुन लेते कि क्या यू कैन से एनीथिंग अबाउट. नहीं, 5 मिनट है, 25 मिनट है, वो थोड़ा आगे.
Okay, 10 minutes. So it's 31 years. That means 31 years. So I've been here, and I still remember the day I joined IPR, and I was a lot to do, number 35, and I was bloody homesick, and it was the peak of summer. My stomach was absolutely gone for a toss, and I clearly remember the two people in the room. That is, one is Chaya, and another is Hansalia. These two people really put me to ease, and I think if this lady was not there, or if Hansalia was not there, I would have caught the next train back to Cochin. Seriously, no fish. I've lived 29 years of my life having fish for lunch. I'm coming here and there's absolutely nothing like that here. But those were the early days, and then I started my work, and Mohandas was there like a god, and it's simply because of him and his hands-on capabilities that we could complete the field work and we could get something out of it, and then that led to the JSPS thing. And in Japan, I was there for 2 years she was also there for about 6 months, and then she left for Berkeley to do her postdoc. So then 2 years in Japan was extremely fruitful, because I got to spend almost from morning 10 to night 12 o'clock in the accelerator lab, and it was, I mean, I could do a lot of things. So came back here, so many ideas, some work, some didn't work, but then life has to go on. So you took up PSSI interested me, because I used to see that it was absolutely unprofessional, things were not all jugaad, as we say. I said ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, थोड़ा इसको ठीक करना है हमको. So once I got into PSSI, I thought that this is very interesting, because managing things, I never knew I could do it. But I saw that once I started doing PSSI, I realized how important it is to get a system running in its proper manner. So PSSI I used to contribute, although I didn't want to take up any position. One time I was forced to take up the secretary position. After that, I said nothing doing, I'll work from behind, but system has to run. Then came, I think, the plasma acceleration thing, and that was also very, very fulfilling, because from a lab that had nothing in it, I could turn it into a full-fledged, self-contained lab. So that was also very good. Then came, of course, the computer center, and that was not by choice. I was just called by Professor Coy one day and said that, he said, "Kal se tum karoge," that's it. So that was not a request, it was like, do it. I said, I can't even write one line of code. How do you expect to do computer? He said, no, I don't want you to write codes. I want you to get that thing running properly. So then I went on the other side of the table thinking, okay, if I were to be in an institute, what should be the computer center like? So that gave me ideas, and I should discuss with Govind and others. So we decided the first thing that we need to do is get a state-of-the-art data center in place. In fact, it should have been a much bigger data center had Karmesh had the plans of the building. Apparently, it got washed off from the architect's office due to floods. So we couldn't calculate the exact load-bearing area of this. So Karmesh said, no, I'll let you put 2 rows of computers, 2 rows of racks, and do whatever you want in that. So fine, at least 2 is better than nothing. So we got about 14, right? About 14 racks, and that was the beginning of what should I say? An industry standard. I would say our data center is industry standard with how much? 99.99%? Yeah, 99.99% of uptime. This is something which is over 7 years, and that is not a simple thing to do. So you must appreciate that people have worked behind this, and because it is a facility that you get, you take it for granted. But how much of work goes behind that and how much of effort to keep it running is tremendous. So once I was kind of computer center, I thought, okay, ho gaya kaam idhar, abhi mera idhar role nahi hai kuch. Fortunately, this outreach thing came up. I think one day Shashank said that I think there was an order from government saying that outreach should be something. Can you do it? I said yes, provided one condition: you must take me out of computer center, because I knew this is going to be a full-time job. They'll be traveling, so it's not possible to do both. So we started off outreach with just 4. So he asked me, whom do you want? I said, let me ask around. So I asked Charles, he said yes immediately. I asked Mohandas, he said yes immediately. Then I think it was Harsha next. Yeah, Harsha was the third one. So we 4 of us started this, and then slowly I think Narendra came next. Then I think Gattu came. Gattu, and then Chetan, and now we have a big team. So we started off with just 2 exhibits, that too given from FCAPT as a dan. And in the span of, okay, if we discount the 2 years of COVID, and in 3 years, we are at the stage now, one of the best outreach divisions in the whole of DAE, I would say. So this is something which I could not have done by myself. It's the entire team that contributed. Each one had a role to play, and they contributed. And on the whole, when you see it from outside, it looks like a big structure and everything is in place. But again, every person has played his role. My job was just to guide them, nothing else. I throw an idea, Mohandas picks it up, he does something, he brings out a model onto the table, and we discuss. And if everything goes right, then the others take it up and make it into an exhibit. That's how it used to run. And I'm happy to say that The team has learned very well. They have learned to do things independently. I don't have to interfere. And I'm sure that in the coming years, under the new leadership of Nirav, our outreach division will be known much more. So, but having said this, there's one important thing here. Outreach works does not work on a DPR. We work on an annual plan-like thing, and it is non-planned budget. So, in the initial days, I think Shashank gave me a free hand. Although he didn't explicitly say it, he absolutely gave me a free hand to do whatever I wanted for that. And free hand is not enough. You need the money, and that used to come from Falguni Ben. I must really thank her for her effort. Whenever we are short of funds, you just have to go and meet her. And she will find the fund from some head and said, "Ab karo, hum paise de denge." So with Shashank's free hand and Falguni's purse, we could do a lot of things in outreach. And one of my pet projects was a solar telescope, because I always dreamt of owning a telescope and I can't afford it. So I thought, why not use IPR money and buy a good telescope and let people use it. And I'm very happy and very proud to say that the solar telescope that we have, I don't know how many of you have got an opportunity to take a look through that. If you get a chance, please do, because it's a fantastic device, and we are going to use it as a major outreach tool, especially in this few years when the solar activity is going to peak. That's about work, and of course money, I don't have to say much, because at home my breakfast is very frugal. That's what she gives me in the morning. and then at lunch is also little. But because of money, I don't go hungry. But the day he takes leave without telling me, 11 o'clock I'm hungry. So money, thank you, especially Sudha. Please tell her that I'm going to miss it. Then my all friends here, if I start taking names, I'll have to do the entire list. But even then there is everybody else. I'm very bad with names, and that is mostly why I am not very social in IPR. In fact, I have a very what should I say, example to say. Once, about 15 years ago, we were going on a train to Calcutta. I think Manika was there on that train, and I couldn't remember her name. I had to introduce her because in the same coupe we were sitting. So I just excused myself, went out, I leaned outside the door and looked at the chart. And then I looked at her name and I came back and then I graciously introduced her. As in nothing else happened. But I have a problem with remembering names. So when I'm in a crowd, I'm very worried that somebody will come and talk to me and I cannot remember the name. So that is one reason why I have not been very social in IPR. I've never been to any IPR excursion or picnic. I think only 2 IPR annual days have come. One was when Chaya was the president, one when Vijay was the president. Only 2 times I've come. And my 2 close study buddies, that is Patak and Mahinder, because we are from the same society, so we get to do a lot of talking, both buck and other things. And what I like about Mahinder is his wit and his sense of he advises well. And Patak for his very in-depth and very deep what should I say, philosophy, poetry, and whatever Hindi I have brushed up just because of him, because in the car, because we travel by the office car together, and his insights into politics, into history, Urdu, and even religion for that matter, and other things is tremendous. I really enjoy my car drives with Surya, and I would miss both of them when I eventually move out of Ahmedabad. So I don't know if I missed anything. Yes, I have missed something, because I know that with outreach group I have been at times very strict and at times very free. Most of the time free, but I know that Chaya, Harsha, all of them would have borne the brunt of my anger at some times. Anger not because of my fault. Okay, let me be very clear. It is not because of my fault. It's something that they would have done, which I didn't like, and I would have told them something. But वो मेरा गलती मेरी गलती मेरा गलती नहीं है, ठीक है. But all said and done, even though I have been like this, I love my group, and whenever we go for events and and everything. That was fun time. People think that outreach is fun. It is absolutely not fun because you're traveling for 14 days at a time away from family, and the initial first 2 events you want to enjoy and go here and go there, but after that, no. After the event, you just want to come back to the hotel and crash, because whole day you're standing, you're working, you're talking to people. It's very tiring, but at the same time, it is very fulfilling, because the whole idea of being able to tell science what you are doing here to a 6th standard student, it's not an easy joke. But if you try to master that thing, it is going to be extremely fulfilling. So I would request all of IPRites to spend some time in our outreach, and whenever outreach is going for an event, volunteer to join them. And I'm sure your bosses will allow you to go once in a while, because you can score 10 points on your ACR. There's something called as outreach there. You can score 10 points. Why waste that? I would say contribute to outreach. And another thing is, we have this scope, the telescope. I'm sure there are so many people in IPR who are slightly interested in astronomy or something. Volunteer to help outreach to run a program. So all these things are extremely interesting and also fulfilling. So with this, I think, of course, our accounts and purchase. That's the. I'm sorry, I should have told that first. Computer center things were on my head for last 8 years, and I thought the 16 pages of items. I thought I'm never going to get my pension. But thanks to Avasti, to Sanjay, to Yogesh, and our Hemant and Prashant. These people worked really hard to ensure that Boj is off my shoulder. So finally it was settled only on 29, and I submitted my papers to the admin, and they said, go enjoy your life. That's what I'm going to do. I plan to move back to Cochin sometime later this year. So, but I will never cut my ties with outreach, because it's in my blood. Because outreach requires passion, perseverance, and you got to work hard for it. So I continue to do that, and let's see how things move. Now I will keep coming to IPR in some pretext or the other, because some things you just cannot cut away. So thank you very much. Thank you, IPR, for giving me a platform for. Point noted. See, I don't take work home. That means that it's not that I won't take my incomplete Excel sheet home. That I do, but the emotions related to the work, I don't take home. So she does not know. She is not aware of any of the hardships I've gone through here. So I don't take that home, because it's not necessary. For 5:30 when you do this, all that should be left here. Yeah. So that should be left behind here. Well, when I go home, when I reach home at 6 sharp, then I'm not like this, because it doesn't pay being like this. So you have to be in a way which is acceptable to her. So I try my best to do that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, I get only 2 rotis. If it works, I get probably 3. So there are good and bad sides of this, and we like to travel. So that is something which I plan to do, or we plan to do in the future days. And I want to take up astrophotography as a hobby. I've been dabbling in it, and I find it very interesting. So I might spend some money, and I don't know if she gives me. So I spend some money and invest in it, and the advantage is that once you know a trick or something to do, you always pass it on to others, especially the young children. They are very fascinated by such things, and if you can show them the way, I'm sure that some of them will take up science and do stuff. So once again, thank you all for, what should I say, for as they say, jello-fying me for all these years, and IPR for giving me a platform to do things that I always wanted to do. So thank you very much. And
thank you, Ravi. And कुछ गलती अगर हम लोगों से हुई हो तो माफ़ कर देना, हम भी तुम्हारी गलतियों को माफ़ कर देंगे। तो मैं परितोष को वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए, सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, एंजॉय, थैंक यू।